Hello, in this video I want to show you how to restore old school, I would say, user interface in Elder Scrolls Online. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then move to accessibility, and here simply switch it off. As you can see, when it's on the interface, I think it works like on console, which is kind of weird when you're using a keyboard and you're playing on PC. And I had a problem when I launched this game after like 3 years of absence, and all my interface looked like this because I accidentally enabled the accessibility when launching a game. So if you have the same issue, just go to your settings as I mentioned, and here simply disable it, and now it's back like old times. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.